Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your A's on your Apple ID. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in appleid.apple.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your Apple account. Now on the screen at the top right corner, you're gonna find three icons. You can see a search icon, and right below there you'll find a small drop down icon. Tap on it. From there you're gonna have to navigate your way to personal information. Now from there you can see options like name, date of birth, country or region, and language. Select date of birth. Now you can simply tap on the small drop down icons beside the day, month and year and change your A's. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your A's on your Apple ID. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.